grabbed this one, stripped myself down, made love to it, got on the bike, and then came out and stalled! I just stalled. I was just like, I don't know, 15, not even 15. Like 10 minutes ago, I was riding a Kakarot. So, that's why I'm getting weird. The clutch on this is totally different because this is OEM clutch. On both of my other bikes, the clutch is set by me because it's aftermarket. It gets me a while to get used to it. How Broly likes it. Takes a little bit of time. Takes a little bit of time. But we'll get the hang of it. We'll get the hang of it. It's been a while since I've ridden like bikes back to back. I don't ever do that usually. And one thing I can't remember is do I use 2 fingers on these levers or 4 when I usually ride Ducati? Like I don't remember. I think it's 2. I think it's 4 because for some reason everything feels weird and I don't think I'm supposed to use 2 fingers. I think I usually use 4 on these because they're longer. Not sure though. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe 3? Did I use 3? That's the magical number. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to look at my footage and see what I usually use when I ride this. Because before I never had any problems with like stalling and stuff. I never thought I'd stall on this bike. But I guess it's the first time for everything. I'm gonna go with 3 just to be safe. Oh, that was the airborne nut check. I actually got popped into the air. And as I was talking about the airborne nut check, I was going to show you how it happened. I got nut checked again. My Dragon Balls are going. I need a Dragon Ball radar now. A Dragon radar? Dragon Ball radar. I think it's Dragon Ball radar. Dragon radar? I don't know. Alright, we're going to take it nice and easy because I can't believe I stalled, man! Oh, I never thought it would be so difficult to go from one bike right after like 10 minutes onto another bike. You guys might be asking, hey man, what are you doing that? Because we had to do some stuff on the other bike, test some things. So, I hadn't ridden in like a week because work week and you know I'm a working man now and it sucks ass, but still. So what I did was I had to test something on Kakarot, so I had to take her out for a while and just, you know, give her that good old spanking, and then everything turned out perfectly fine, just how it should be. Went over and put the bike back into the garage, grabbed this one, stripped myself down, made love to it, got on the bike, and then came out and stalled! Came out and stalled, man. And I wish I wore my other helmet instead of this one, the Pista. I wish I wore the, you know, the red and black one, black and red, black and red, black and red one, because it would have been, that one has speakers in it, so I could have put music on, because I really want to listen to music, like super duper want to listen to music, but it is what it is. This bike, Broly, she's so big compared to the R6, man. R6, I felt like I was like a beast on that bike, a beast on a beast, but on this I can feel like the difference that this is bigger. There's more to it. Snow Cap Mountains. I know you guys can't see it because I was looking at the footage, and sadly this GoPro Hero 3 cannot capture that much of detail in the background and stuff. One day we will upgrade, but until then, this helmet has the 3 on there. I gotta buy more of the 7s, 8s, or whatever there are. But yeah, I can't capture the details. And if I can be truly honest with you, if I can be truly honest, as I'm always am, I kind of want to be on Kakarot right now. And not that Broly sucks or anything, but with Kakarot, like, I can easily push it red line each time, like a 69 up her spine. Yeah, man, I can't remember because since I just got off the R6, as shorty lovers, I use 2 fingers for everything. But as soon as I got on here, I went with a two finger method because that's what I was just doing because I was just on a bike. But like, I don't think I used 2. I think I used 3 or 4. Can't remember. Still can't believe I stalled, man. Sucks butt. For once, I feel like I'm clothed correctly. Like it's super cold out and I'm wearing a hoodie and stuff. So I feel like, ooh, BMW R90 or something like that. I don't know. But I feel like I'm actually clothed correctly today with a hoodie and a t-shirt and an earth thing. Because I feel like, I don't know, room temperature. That's how I feel right now. Room temperature. If I could describe my body right now, room temperature. See, now that we stopped, it scares me. I'm not gonna lane stick because I'm scared. Scared. Super scared. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna stall again now. You open the box once. It never closes. Prius is gonna go slow because he has kids on boards. Maybe I do use 2 fingers. There's a biker behind us. I should have lane split it, but I didn't, because once again, Mr. Popo might be over here lurking from Dragon Ball Z and DB and DB GT. Most probably DB Super. Haven't watched it yet, so can't tell you. Well, look at all these cyclists. Imagine if there were that many motorcycles on the road as cyclists. I can't believe me driving a V4, you know, Panigale, Broly, and me being me, that I didn't just zoom past everybody. And then I'm actually choosing to be behind 3 douchebags. But you gotta say, I'm doing pretty good, you know, like I'm being a good boy. A good boy. And the Prius is destroying everyone right now. Prius, why are you the way that you are? Like why? I wanna know why. You could choose to be so many things, but you choose to be ass. And not even good ass, I mean like stank ass. So currently on today's ride, we are at 381 miles. Broly is en route to 600 miles of her training before she can run around and clown all around town, sometimes downtown, eastbound till I pound. I don't know. As you guys can tell, my rap career was pretty epic. That mixtape is pretty much fire that I released. Is that a girl? No, it's a guy who looks like a girl. But not the kind of guy who looks like a girl who like is that cute and hot and stuff that, you know, he gets all the girls. No. Feeling more and more at home as every second passes by on Broly. It's just I'm still in this Kakarot, man. I haven't ridden in a while. Having 3 hoes, hard to decide which one you want to make the main one for the week. You know what? That was stupid. Having 3 hoes, you don't know which one to smash. And the problem is, these kind of hoes, you can't smash them all together. You gotta pick one by one. I don't know what happened. Broly just, you know, she just went out and just, you know, clowned. Remember you wanted to speed a lot, right? How about now? Want to speed a lot now? Huh? Ah! Zoom past all of us and left me in the trash? 1 mile, huh? Now you holding everybody up. Get to the left, huh? That's what I thought. Choke on it. Next Honda. Man, why do I sound so ghetto? Is Riding Insane ghetto? Do you guys think I'm ghetto? Cause it's gonna hurt my feelings. My feelings. Baby talk, man. It's the best kind of talk. Baby talk, man. Baby talk. Oh God, it smells like ass. Oh, come on, amigo, fuego. Andale. There you go. Andale, homie. Andale, amigo. Talking in Americana, de Puerto Rico, man. Puerto Rican chicks. Hot tamale! I used to have a next door neighbor. He was a complete douchebag. I'm talking like stinky douchebag. You look at him and he like needs a bath. You can just tell that he hasn't bathed his body in years. And he used to drive this kind of Honda. So whenever I see this exact Honda, exact paint scheme, it was gross. And one day, like I'm just to give you a background on his character. One day he got a neon Plasti Dip, and he Plasti Dipped both of his rear wheels in neon. But he didn't do it correctly, and I guess, I don't know, he knew he was a dumbass, and he quit mid-job of the Plasti Dip paint job, and like half of his rear wheels were like neon, half weren't. Well, you could tell what kind of douchebag that was to be doing something like that. Oh man, look at those green fields. Something I want to tell you guys, we got a sad story today. It's about to rain for the entire week, so that means that today, I'm not sure, it might rain tomorrow, so today, we're gonna put some, you know, heavy poundage of miles on the R6, my bad, Broly. But then the thing is that we might not be able to get the full 6 hundos this weekend, because today's a Saturday. My goal was to get the miles in this Saturday or this weekend, about 150 today, 150 tomorrow. And then after that, we can, I can go in and during the weekday, I can give this bike in to the dealership to do the oil change, the first service. That's pretty much the stuff. You know, I can do an oil change, it's not a big deal and stuff. But for the first service, as you guys know, we buy all of our bikes brand new. So for the first service, I would like the bike to go to the dealership. And then after that, I still take it to the dealership, but I always make sure to do the easy things like cleaning, lubing the chain, basic checking all the bolts, coolant flushing, brake fluid flushing, and or bleeding the brakes, changing the oil filter, changing the oil. I do all that stuff, but I'd rather have it also go to a dealer, the mechanic, ride the bike, and kind of, you know, give me the go-ahead that everything on the bike is perfect, and I can pounce, and I can make love to any supercar out there that wants to, you know, see some taillights of a Ducati, of Broly. I could just, overtake this toad so bad right now. But we're not gonna. I want him to have the decency, or her to have the decency, to take the shoulder while I zoom past, and she can see some pair of booty cheeks that she's never seen in her life, and know what life and what a real man looks like. Yeah, I feel back at home on Broly. Yeah, you got a chance, shoulder that hoe. You got a chance right here, shoulder that hoe. And you didn't do it, you douchebag. You neon coloring douchebag. Man, did I tell you that I used to know a girl who used to live here? I wonder if she still lives there. We're just gonna keep rubbing it up, dropping it down, climbing it up, shoving it here, and making the person in front of us understand that how much pain they're causing me right now. That we're on this beautiful road, and they're ruining it. They're ruining it. Ruining it. Ruining it. Is that how you say that word? I don't even know. I feel like I speak another language when I put a helmet on. And I speak a completely different language when I'm riding insane, riding on them streets. Alright, then F you, fat piece of crap. You saw that? You can barely see any bike. All you see is a tub of fat on his belly, tummy, and his ugly face. Why are you braking, homie? Homie! Why are you braking? Look back! Look at my discontent of having to ride behind you. And I can't even tell if it's a guy or a girl. Finally, man! Go crash somewhere else! Oh my God, man.
Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we